Hi children, yesterday we have learnt the introduction part of exponents and powers. Today let us do exercise problems, exercise 4.1. In the first bit, simplify and give reasons. Here first one, 4 to the power of minus 3. Now we have to, based on the formula, we have to do the problems. Now here the given problem is in the form of a to the power of minus m. So this can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. Okay, in the laws of exponents we have learned that a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So in the same way, 4 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 to the power of 3. Still you can simplify this one by writing 1 by 4 is repeated 3 times, which is equal to 1 by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this is the solution. So 4 to the power of minus 3 can be written as 4 to the power of 1 by 4 to the power of 3. So by simplifying this one, we get 1 by 64. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. Now let us go for second problem. Here minus 2 to the power of 7. Here again a to the power of m means the base has written m times, that is a into so on up to m times. Means similarly minus 2 to the power of 7 is written how many times? 7 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 had been written 7 times. So if the power is 7 and the value in the base is minus, again you are going to get minus symbol. How? Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Now find the product of 2 into 7 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s are 128. So this is the simplification of minus 2 to the power of 7. Now go for 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. So this can be written, we know the laws of exponents. A by b whole to the power of minus m can be written as, if the power is minus, which is in the format of fractions, just you interchange the numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator to make the power as positive, that is b by a whole to the power of m. Here in the same way, 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus m minus 3 can be written as 4 by 3 whole to the power of 3. So here the power is in the minus, so we are interchanging 3 by 4 as 4 by 3 and the power has become into positive value. So write down 4 by 3 is written how many times? 3 times. So simplify. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is a simplification method of 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. So these are the problems in the first bit. Remaining problems you have to do as homework. In the same process you are going to get the problems. Now let us come to the second bit. Simplify the following. Okay children, let us do second bit. Simplify the following. As we have learned laws of exponents. So now the given problem is in which format? See the bases here. This 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Bases are equal and the powers are different in the product form. We have learned in the laws of exponents. What is the law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of p. That means the bases are equal, add the powers m plus n plus p. Using this law, let us do the problem. So what is here? All the bases 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5, 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. So bases are equal, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 bases are equal, powers should be added. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus 5 plus 6. That is 1 by 2 whole to the power of how much? 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So this is the solution. Okay. So by using the laws of exponents, we are simplifying the problems. That means we have to just notify all the laws of exponents, then only we can do the problems very easily. Now I am skipping second problem and moving to the third problem. Now what is the third problem? See here, 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. Now let us separate the power for the numerator and the denominator. 4 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. Okay. This same one we have learnt in the laws of exponents. A by b whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power of m by b to the power of m. By using these laws of exponent, we are writing this problem. Now you separate the same values, 4 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. Now see here, 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 4. Again there is a law. A to the power of m by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. That means 4 to the power of, so if the bases are equal in the division format, you have to subtract the powers. 4 minus 4 into 5 to the power of 4. 4 minus 4, 0 into 5 to the power of 4. Here again we are getting a loss of exponent. A to the power of 0 can be written as 1. That means 4 to the power of 0 is 1 into 5 to the power of 4. That is equal to 5 to the power of 4. This is the solution. Here by doing all these problems, the total problems are depending upon the laws of exponents only. If you by heart these laws of exponents, we can do the problems very easily. Okay, and moving to the fourth problem. See here, 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. Same problems here. A to the power of m by a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m minus n. Here 5 to the, here bases are equal in the division form and you have to subtract the powers. 5 to the power of minus 4 plus minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. 5 to the power of minus 4 plus into minus, minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. 5 to the power of minus 10 into 5 to the power of 3. And here another laws of exponents. Bases are equal and add the powers in the product form. That means 5 to the power of minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 5 to the power of minus 7. Again you are having 5 to the power of minus 7 means a to the power of minus m can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. Using this law of exponent, we can write here as 1 by 5 to the power of 7. Okay children, did you understand? All the problems are based on the laws of exponents. If you want to write down these notes, you just pause the video, note down the solutions, then you can again start the video. Okay children, now let us see third bit. Simplify 2 square into 3 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. Now here we have to separate the similar values. That means all the 2's one side and all the 3's one side. Now how? 2 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 square into 3 to the power of minus 1. Now here we are having two types of laws. One is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Next one is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. We are having two laws in the single problem. So first formula, first law is a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. This law we are implementing here. That means bases are equal. In the division form, we have to subtract the powers. What is that? 2 to the power of 2 plus, and here 2 to the power of 2 minus of minus 2 into, here bases are equal, add the powers, 3 to the power of 2 plus minus 1. Now 2 to the power of 2 minus into minus plus 2 into 3 to the power of 2 plus into minus minus 1. So 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 4 into 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 1. So 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 1. Still you can simplify. 2 to the power of 4 means how many times? 4 times. Repeated product into 3 is 1 time. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3 is 48. So 48 is the solution for the given problem. Okay children, did you understand? Can we move forward to the next problem? Okay. Now what is here? 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. And here we are using the formula is a to the power of minus m can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. So here 4 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4. 3 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 to the power of 1. So 4 to the power of 1 can be written as 1 by 4 and 3 to the power of 1 can be written as only 3. So 6 to the power of minus 1. So 1 by 6 to the power of 1, which can be written as 1 by 6. Now 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. So these values can be written as 4 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. So what is here? 1 1s are 1, 4 3s are 12 divided by 1 by 6. Now here already we have learned in our previous classes 1 by 12. So if we are changing the symbol division as multiplication and the numerator and denominator are going to interchange their places as 6 by 1. So here 1 6 are 6, 12 ones are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 1 by 2. Okay children, so this is the third bit, second problem. Hence the solution is 1 by 2. Okay, remaining problems children, we are going to learn in the tomorrow's class. Okay, you might have understood all these problems. To do these problems, first of all you have to know laws of exponents. So children, tomorrow we are going to do another bits problems. So you have to know all the laws of exponents to do the solution of these problems. Okay children, bye.